Hello everyone, I am the incubus Caelos. Yep, I'm just here being an incubus, getting as much sex as I can. Hail Satan. Yep, just doing a TikTok video so I can show the human world what an incubus is. We are sex demons, and we love to fuck. Yep. Hail Satan. We love to fuck. These are my demon wings. I love them very much. See? Whee! Happy demon. These are my fangs. And my horns. I love being an incubus. It's awesome. Just sex and torture every day. Yep. That's all I do, is sex and torture. Torture people and have sex all day long. Hail Satan. Woohoo. Yeah. Yep. Thanks for watching. Blessed be.